Hi everyone, this is Anne and welcome to day 17 of my 90 days Go Run Success Challenge. Today topic, we will explore the power of visualization. Visualization involves creating a strong mental image of your desired outcome. Ito ay higit pa sa isang pagnanais. It's engage your sense, emotion, and mind. Ang ginagawa nito ay lumilikha ng isang pakiramdam at reality in your mind na maaring gawing alaala. This is torn from a belief that the memory is true. To visualize your desired outcome, just close your eyes and calm yourself and mind and the body. Piliin ang iyong particular na goal or outcome. Pagkatapos ay isipin na maayos mo ang magawa mo na ito na maabot na iyong makakaya. Use all your sense to make that vision as real as possible. For example, say you want to visualize a trip to the beach. Isipin mo ng malalim ang lahat ng bagay tungkol sa pagpunta sa beach. You will picture a nice sand beach, ang araw na nagbubunga ng liwanag sa iyo, hearing the waves, ang init mula sa araw, na cool breeze blowing, maybe the smell of fresh air, and the children laughing and playing in the sun. Maybe the warmth of the sun between your toes. Once you visualize enough, it becomes a reality in your mind and make it easier for you to strive to succeed and obtain the goal. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the encouragement, likes, and nice comments. See you tomorrow for day 18. Have a wonderful day. God bless. See ya. Bye.